Okay, so I'm in the process of renovating my basement, and here's the stairs that's coming down from the main floor, and this carpet has got to go. The wife said, let's get it out and get it out now. So we're getting it out now. So before I start this, just want to go over some of the things that I'm going to use. Of course, some gloves, safety glasses, 2 utility knives because one's never enough, a pair of pliers, a hammer, and a couple crowbars. So let's get this started. Okay, so I'm going to take the carpet off of the stairs. Now this is just a technique that I'm going to use. I've watched several videos on YouTube, of course, how people remove these, but this is just the way that I'm going to do it. Don't claim to be a professional, just a DIY kind of person. So the first 3 steps are already taken, have already been pulled off. I'm going to go ahead now and cut this in more manageable pieces and get it off. So, just be mindful and careful of the staples. They've got staples in these. You definitely want to use some protection, eye protection. You never know what's going to come up in your face when you're pulling and jerking on this carpet. And of course, protect your hands. Okay, that's one piece. Okay. Okay, so what I like to do is just start on one side, pull on one side, go to the other, and then just give it a good jerk in the middle. Just like that. So I'm going to do this all the way down and finish it up. So this piece right here, it's been pieced in, so they've stapled it down. So I'm going to have to rip this up in a different way. As you can see, there's actually some work to this. No matter what technique you use, it's still going to be work. So there you have it. The carpet's off the stairs. Now to just take off the padding, and I don't see any tack strip on this. So take off the padding and the staple. So we'll get right on that right now. Okay, so now that we've got the carpet off the stairs, we have to take off the padding. Got lucky here. There's actually no tack strip around the perimeter of the step. So what I want to do for the sake of the video is to do one here, and then I'll start at the top and then come on down. One tool that I forgot to mention is the floor scraper with a blade on it. We'll use that to get the staples out. Another YouTuber uses that a lot to get staples out on some of his videos. Awesome videos. So with that, we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is just grab the padding and then just start ripping it up. You'll see, probably should be wearing a dust mask or something like that. This is kind of dusty and messy. Okay, so you got some staples that are in here. So I want to go ahead and get those staples out. We don't want to leave any staples because there's going to be like a wood tread that's going to be going over these eventually. So some of these staples we'll pull out just by grabbing them by the hand or by the padding that's under it. However, not all of these are going to come out. So that's where the floor scraper that has a blade on it. Got this from Lowe's, Home Depot, any of those. You just take it, and it'll generally grab those staples and just rip them right out. Now I've got about 5 or 6 that it got out just like that quick. So let's put this away. Now we'll need the trusty pliers. For the ones that the scraper didn't get, just take the pliers, pull those out. Make sure that not to leave any in. Get some sides here. Okay, there's one I did not get. And got it. Then thing here. Probably could take the scraper and get these out, but this is laminated board, or OSB should I say, and you're likely to damage that with that scraper. So I just choose to take the pliers and get these out with the pliers. Doesn't look like there's really all that many, not as many as I expected, but we'll just take a few minutes and take those out. Oh, missed one. Okay, so that's got one step down, so I will go ahead and start at the top and bring it on down. Gotta get my scraper. Whew. Absolute must. Whew, staples never in. Okay, so there we have it. I'm about a third of the way, but I'll tell you, I don't care how much of a man you are, pulling staples out with pliers, your hands will get tired, I guarantee you. So, alright, just keep going. Okay, broke a sweat on that one. As you can see, I kind of switched it up a little bit with the scraper on the OSB. I don't know, maybe got 95% of the staples out with the scraper. Obviously, I got some cleanup work to do and go through and pick up just the stray staples that the scraper didn't get. So get all this cleaned up, and then we'll move on to the next step. All right, now this away. Now it's time to tackle the landing. So I'm going to take off a piece of trim that's right here. First, I want to get my safety PPE.
Okay, I'm back, ready to go. I'm not going to use this piece, so I'm going to go ahead and take it up. Out of the way. Okay, got to get my pliers. And bring a knife with me, just in case I need it. Starting in one corner, just pull it up. Okay, I'm gonna got a little piece right here that I need to notch around the wall. I don't want to rip out that part of the wall. Okay. There we have it. You gotta take the padding up. Now, the Tack-Strip all around. Don't do that. Let's get that out of the way. Okay, so basically all I want to do right here is get underneath the Tack-Strip, pry it up at the nails, until it all comes up. There's one piece, put that out of the way. Looks like they used drywall nails or something to put this down with, so it's going to make it a little bit tougher on me. Just get up underneath it and pry it up. And don't give up, because it's work. That's all it is, it's just work.
Alright, there you have it. Just clean up some of the staples like I did on the stairs and be ready for the floor.